India is aggressively working on developing its fifth-generation Advanced Multi-Role Combat Aircraft, AMCA. The primary aim is to develop the AMCA indigenously, reduce dependency on foreign players like Russia and France, and at the same time support the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. The Indian Air Force, IAF, is reportedly working aggressively in collaboration with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, and the Aeronautical Development Agency to develop the indigenous AMCA. Earlier, India had decided to work with Russia on joint development of a fifth-generation fighter aircraft, FGF-A. However, this plan was abandoned in 2017 to promote indigenization and reduce dependence on foreign technology. India was also not happy with the progress of FGF-A. The modular design of the fifth-generation, twin-engine single-seat aircraft is said to be finalized. 6 squadrons of AMCAs are planned initially. The first flight is expected in 2024-25, followed by trials and tests. It will be in full production by 2029. AMCA will be a single-seat, twin-engine, stealth all-weather multi-role fighter aircraft with an indigenous ESA radar. In 2018, $60 million was allotted for prototype design and R&D. The project will face similar technology and knowledge transfer challenges as FGF-A because no nation is willing to share its stealth technology with India, a senior Indian official admitted. The Aeronautical Development Agency, ADA, of the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and the Indian Air Force, IAF, are meanwhile moving swiftly on the development of the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA. The 25-ton jet will have all munitions in its belly and will be propelled by 2 engines capable of super cruise speeds. AMCA will have complex S-shaped serpentine intakes. These hide the spinning turbine blades in the engine and are a key stealth feature. The Super Cruise feature enables the AMCA to accelerate